Meet the future of power for your material handling needs. This is the new 51.2V 920 Ah lithium iron phosphate battery from Polinovel, precision engineered for the Raymond 9600 swing reach truck. It delivers high power and long-lasting endurance for your most demanding shifts. Designed to fit the exact dimensions of the forklift's battery compartment at 1,122 mm long, 533mm wide, and 787mm high, it integrates seamlessly. This is a true plug-and-play operation, requiring zero modifications. Now, let's look closer. It features a LED display with a detachable cable that allows for flexible placement and perfect viewing angles. Operators can check power levels and status at a glance, while the integrated switch and buzzer ensure safe, one-touch control and instant alerts. Here is the communication port, paired with robust, industrial-grade REMA connectors. It enables high-current transmission for safe, rapid charging. The intelligent COM protocol automatically optimizes the charging cycle, enhancing both battery performance and its long-term service life. Recharge from empty to full in just 2 to 3 hours, minimizing downtime and maximizing your productivity. Polinovel also provides professional OEM customization for a wide range of material handling and industrial vehicles. Ready to upgrade your fleet's efficiency? Contact our team at sales@polinovel.com to find your perfect power solution.